Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to make a spinach and lamb curry today. For this recipe you're going to need 1 onion chopped, 1 small tomato chopped up. You're going to need a little bit of butter, 1 teaspoon of garlic ginger paste, and you're going to need some spices. I've got here 1 teaspoon of salt, a heaped teaspoon of red chili powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. You're also going to need around 400 to 500 grams of mixed lamb cuts and either a tin of spinach or a packet of frozen spinach. So just start by frying the onion in 2 tablespoons of olive oil until it's browned a little bit. So the onions are browned a little bit, so I'm just going to add in the chopped tomatoes. And also the garlic ginger paste and the spices are going in as well. I've just added in the lamb meat as well, and I'm just going to stir fry this for a few minutes. After stir frying the meat for a few minutes, I have just covered the meat with 2 cups of water, and I'm now going to put the pressure cooker on for 10 minutes so that the lamb can cook through. If you don't have a pressure cooker, you just leave the lamb to cook for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours until it's nice and tender. So the lamb is now cooked, so I'm just going to add in the drained spinach. And I'm just going to cook this on a low heat for around 45 minutes. I'm also just going to add in around 50 grams of butter. This gives a really nice flavour to the spinach. So I'll just leave this to continue to cook. So this is the finished spinach and lamb curry. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I'd really appreciate it if you liked and subscribed for more. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!